popping right before my eyes. I can take it hard for make a treat. Popcorn pop would smell so sweet. It wasn't really so, but it seemed to me. Popcorn popping right before my eyes.
Good job, guys. Were you singing too? Yeah? Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you guys.
I love you guys.
This is. Do you know who this is for?
Allison.
Allison and who else?
And Pinto. Cook.
And who else?
Wait. Bishop.
And Aunt Missy Miss.
And Missy Miss.
And Moga.
And Moga. And Morgan's there?
No, I don't think Morgan is there anymore.
Morgan is there.
She is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No.
She wants you to sing Popcorn again.
No, I don't want to.
Can you go pick up your blocks, please?
Aw.
Daddy's almost home. Gotta pick up the blocks. So it can be nice and clean for Daddy, okay?
Where's that bathroom?
Let's go, let's go.